Hello, I'm Manju Taneja from RPIIT College. Welcome to our channel. Today my topic is pronoun. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. First of all, we will know about the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. We will take some examples of it, like Rohan is my best friend, Rohan belongs to Haryana, Rohan is my classmate. In these three sentences, Rohan is repeated again and again. To avoid repetition of noun, we use pronoun. Like after using of pronoun, Rohan is my best friend, he belongs to Haryana, he is my classmate. Here instead of Rohan, we used he is a pronoun. There are 9 types of pronouns. First one is personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, possessive pronoun. First of all, we'll talk about personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they are called personal pronouns because they all stand for the three person. There are 3 types of person. The person is speaking, that is first person. The person spoken to is second person. The person spoken about is the third person. Reflexive pronoun. It represents the action performed by the subject is on the subject itself. Here the doer is affected by his actions only. Self is added to my, your, him, her, it, and selves to our, them, your. Some examples are I hurt myself. Here the doer is affected by his actions. They hurt themselves. Here they are affected by themselves, by their actions only. So myself and themselves are reflexive pronoun here. Emphatic pronoun. An emphatic pronoun is that which is used to add emphasis to the subject of the sentence. Here, doer is not affected by the work done, but here, doer is emphasized. Self is added to my, your, him, her, it, and selves to our, them, your. Examples are I will build the house myself. Here, myself emphasize I. We will watch the show ourselves. Here, ourselves emphasize we. You yourself can tell us about the situation. Here, yourself emphasize you. So these are emphatic pronouns. There might be some confusion between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. So I will clear the difference between the both. Reflexive pronoun. They are used as object of the verb when the action of the verb returns to the doer. The subject and object of the sentence are the same persons. Example, I hurt myself. Here the doer is affected by his action only. Emphatic pronoun. They are used to emphasize noun or pronoun. She herself opened the door. Herself emphasize on she. So this is emphatic pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Sometimes the pronoun used in a sentence do not refer to any particular thing or a person. They are used in a general way. Such pronouns are known as indefinite pronouns. Here, no noun or pronoun particularly identified. And all, anyone, anybody, anything, everyone, everybody, everything, someone, somebody, something, no one, nobody, nothing, some, none, etc. are indefinite pronouns. Some examples are nobody can help you in this issue. Here, nobody is used. Nobody is particularly identified here. Did you ask anyone to come? Anybody. Here, nobody is particularly identified. Somebody has stolen my watch. Nobody, anybody, and somebody are indefinite pronouns. Relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals, or ideas. Relative pronouns are used to join two sentences who, whom, that, which, whoever, whomever, whichever. Some examples are this is the place where we met. Here, where is refer to a place, You can choose one person, whomever you like. Here, whomever refers to a person. He who hesitates is lost. Here, who refers to he. So, where, whomever, who are relative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun indicates the object that we try to describe or tell you the specific distance of the object. Demonstrative pronouns describe how the noun or pronoun is far from you. Some examples are this, these. Here, for singular things, we use this or these. For far off places, then, those, we use for plural things. This is my book. These are my books. These and this. These both are example of demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. The pronoun that are used for asking question is known as interrogative pronoun. These interrogative pronouns used to ask some questions like what, who, which, whose, whom, etc. Some example are who is there, what is your name, whom did you see. Here, who, what, whom, these are our interrogative pronouns. Distributive pronoun. The pronoun which refers to the person or things one at a time are called distributive pronoun. You have a group of people, you have a group of things. From those, you have to refer only a one particular person or thing that is called distributive pronoun. They are always singular, neither, either, each, none, etc. Some examples are each took it to turn. Neither of the girls was late. Either of you can go. Here each, neither, either, these are all distributive pronouns. Pronoun. The pronoun which shows the possession or ownership is called possessive pronoun. It shows the ownership. Mine, hers, yours, ours, etc. Examples are this book is mine, the cat is yours. Here, mine and yours show possessive pronouns. So, this was all about pronouns. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends and subscribe our channel RPIAT Academics. Thank you once again.